Just how important are honeybees to the human diet? According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, these underappreciated workers pollinate 80% of our flowering crops, which constitutes as 1/3 of everything we eat. Losing them can not only affect dietary staples such as apples, cauliflower, blueberries, nuts, asparagus, and strawberries, but may also threaten our beef and dairy industries if alfalfa is not available for feed. One university study estimated that honeybees annually pollinate $14 billion worth of crops in the US. Essentially, if honeybees disappear, they could take most of our insect-pollinated plants with them, potentially reducing mankind to little more than a water diet. So why are these insects disappearing? Well, since 2006, nearly 1/3 of all honeybee colonies in the US have disappeared due to colony collapse disorder, known as CCD, a disorder caused by a combination of global warming, loss of habitat, pesticide exposure, invasive parasites, and inadequate food supply. One major problem are the pesticides that we use. Since the end of World War II, the use of pesticides in agriculture have increased exponentially. Relatedly, it is now suggested that a widespread use of pesticides known as neonicotinoids are having a detrimental impact on the health of bees. These pesticides, which are chemically similar to nicotine, are extremely popular. They are also poisoning other pollinators. In essence, pesticides are terrible for the environment and they're killing the organisms that help the earth. Another issue that the world's top scientists are investigating are the parasites that are killing the honeybees. In addition to pesticides, for it is believed that bees are dying from various parasites. One like the variable mite, which can actually wipe out an entire colony of bees in 2 to 3 years if left untreated. However, it is believed that climate change has also led to a disruption of synchronization of flower openings as well as the bee hibernation. This also causes the bees to die. With this being said, we can all be proactive and help the honeybees that do oh so much for us and this earth. It is as simple as planting a few honeybee-friendly plants and flowers such as oregano, rosemary, sage, sunflowers, and black-eyed Susans. Bees are easily amongst the most important insects on Earth, and without them our ecosystem will crumble. These humble buzzing bugs deserve a huge thanks for helping us provide us with our favorite fruits and vegetables, delicious honey, and beautiful flowery gardens.